need it. I need my weed. Give me 2 pounds of the highest grade. I need it. I need my weed.
Oh yeah, come on. Day 2, Mrs. Sizzle's birthday celebration. Woo! Yeah! Come on. Woo! Woo! I got dizzy. Yeah, here we go. We still partying. We still partying. We gonna do this thing, you know. Oh yeah, that's what we do. Woo! Yeah, baby, come on. Yeah. No, but straight up real. You know what's that? Come on. Feel that? Come on. Come on. Come on. You feel it? Are you feeling it? Yeah. Come on. Come on. So we're gonna show the whole world. NFT community coming together for world peace in 2022. Woo! Yeah! No more motherfucking canceling nobody. These are your friends, homie. Love one another. Woo! Yeah, come on! Get it!